Hello, welcome. Question number 9, BECE 2025. Given that P is a set of numbers from 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and that of Q is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We have to find the product of the members of what? The P intersection what? How do you call it? Q. So first thing to do is to find the intersection of P and Q. Intersection simply means the element we can see in here the same time see here. So 4 is the first number, 8 is here, so I should get 8. I go to 12, it's not here, 16. So we are going to have this as the members. 4 and 8 are the members of the set P intersection what? Q. So product of members, meaning we are to multiply the 4 by what? 8. And if you multiply 4 by 8, you should be getting what? 32. So let's see if the option we have is in the possible answer. And that will be the option what? D. Concept clear? Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.